Good evening. We are one of the largest local car dealerships and one of the most successful ones. Last year, we did a record profit of $1 million. As of right now, we have two major competitors, and our major market is the mid-size Honda automobile. Now, as a result of our enormous profits last year, the manufacturer the manufacturer has given us a 20% additional discount. This would mean that we can change our selling prices. But should we do so? If so, would it affect our profits? What kind of implications are we looking at? Today, I'm going to discuss these points. As you all know, we have a famous no haggling sales policy. That is because we want to sustain the perceived value of our product. The moment we haggle, that starts to deteriorate. Hence, why what you see in front of you are these two following questions. Profits. How do we sustain ours? The no haggle policy. Can we still do it if we want to keep up our profits? Let's move forward, Jen. Key metrics to consider within this conversation, and these would be further mentioned along, and so pay attention. To maintain our record profits of $1 million while adhering to our no haggle sales policy, we must strategically set the price of our mid-size Honda automobiles. To do so, we need to take into account these following metrics. One, the marginal cost. This is the cost of the original from the manufacturer. This would be $12,000. The price elasticity of demand. This this metric tells us how much we can alter the price without affecting demand, or if so, while affecting demand and while maintaining our total revenue. We will discuss this further, but bear this in mind. The price elasticity of demand for mid-size Honda automobiles is minus 1.5. The desired profit we are trying to aim at would be $1 million. We want to let's set our sights on a realistic goal that would be our current profits, with the added advantage of a discount received from the manufacturer of 20% off of the MSRP due to the high sales volume we displayed last year. Moving forward, what's our price going to be? This is an important question. The key metrics we discussed earlier brought up the discount that we're going to receive. The discount we're going to receive is going to affect our price. Let's calculate that. I'm going to emphasize it word by word so that it doesn't become too mathematical. The profit equation. To achieve a profit of $1 million would be profit minus the marginal cost multiplied by the total quantity, which as of right now is sitting at $1 million. The optimal pricing formula for us, utilizing the Markov formula based on elasticity. Now you just need to pay attention to what the actual outcome is, but let me emphasize a little more. The profit we can now display as the marginal cost multiplied by the ratio of price elasticity of demand to current to an optimal price elasticity, which would be 1. Hence, why the equation now stands at profit is equal to marginal cost multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by the price elasticity of demand, which is minus 1.5. If we substitute the values, you're going to see the marginal cost, which is 12,000, and the price elasticity of demand, which is minus 1.5. If we do the fractions, if we multiply it, we're going to get 12,000 multiplied by 1 plus 2 by 3, which will bring us our profit to 20,000. This would be overall. Now, if we incorporate the discount of 20% to each vehicle, that would be profit by the equivalent ratio, which would be minus 1 minus 0.20. So our profit is 20,000 as we found out from our optimal pricing formula. Hence now the final price sits at 16,000. Question remains, do we offer a price of 16,000 or 20,000? This final price is what we would get. Hence why I would concede to maintain our profits, we should charge a $20,000 charge for the original mid-size Honda automobile, reflecting a final effective price of 16,000 after discount. The key thing to notice here is that we are charging 20,000, but we are offering them a 20% discount, hence increasing sales, thereby through no cost of us. The market remains stable. We do not incite a price war because not everybody can afford it, because not everybody is getting the discounts that we do because of our large sales volume. Hence why we can offer that added incentive of a discount. This would bring in more customer participation and would increase our market share while at the same time keeping our profits at $1 million. Now, I know we should always aim higher, but as of right now, I would like to aim at sustaining what we have made because this for us is a record. If we sustain this, we will gradually see an upward trend as we move forward in history. Thank you.